Hi Lux Family, it's Jay here. This is a special broadcast and believe me, it is a very special broadcast. Somewhat of an emergency I would say. Somewhat of a get yourself some snacks, some wine, call 999, snap my card in half and send me straight to my room. Ban me from Harrods, kind of an emergency. My god, I spent literally all of my coin. And remember me telling you lot that I'm saving for that extra special luxury item? Well, the time has come and yes, it is a bit late. What better yet to show you lot on the actual channel itself. My god, I spent all of my money, and believe me, when I mean all of my money, I mean all of it. This video here today is basically a unboxing of what I got, and believe me, I am so happy and yet so sad that I spent all my coin on this item, but I literally love it and I really want to share it with the Lux family. Please, if you do want to carry on watching, please remember to subscribe to my channel, like and comment down below. It helps me out so much, and I like to actually finally say I have literally been monetized, and that is crazy because it's all thanks to everyone watching that I'm able to get this far. And what better way to actually share it with my Lux family, this special unboxing and special time in life where I've been monetized. It's just basically all come together only because of you lot, and I just want to literally give you lot a big hug through the camera. And if I was able to give you lot my snacks, I would share them with you. Just a little something I wanted to tell the Lux family before I go ahead and do this unboxing. I literally saved literally every single penny I had, and if you've been following me on my channel, you know I haven't bought anything literally new, maybe just an LV bag, but that set me back as well. Literally been saving and saving. I'm not some entrepreneur that I've got like, you know, a business here and a business there. I literally work my ass off to get where I am and get the stuff that I want. And I just wanted to say to the Lux family, you can literally do it if you put your mind to it, because if I can do it, then literally anyone can. It's taken some time, but I've gotten there, and believe me, it was a long journey. I'm not doing this review to show off. I'm just literally putting this up on YouTube because, well, I didn't find a lot of channels like that done a good unboxing on this. I've literally gone on and I've gone off subject, and clearly that's me as always, but here it is, my lovely unboxing. And you may think that this is a white box, but let's slide it out and I'm gonna basically show you what it is, because boy oh boy, it is something crazy. Hopefully it's still not blurred out. Hopefully you can get it on the camera on what it is. Yes baby, it is a Rolex, a Date Just Rolex. I literally saved my ass off for this. I'm gonna take the lid off because clearly you don't want to see a white box and you want to see the beautiful green box that's inside. Believe me, I'm as shocked as you lot are. It is something that I've been longing for such a long time. I got the Rolex Date Just 41 with the silver and black hardware, with the black silver and gold hardware and the black diamond dial. Now this was so difficult to get, surprisingly, because this whole situation that's going on, people are going crazy on getting watches, and I think Rolex is soon gonna have an increase, so people are going even more crazy to get their shit before. Let's take it out of the box. Here we have it, the green, the most famous green box there probably is at the moment, is the Rolex box. The front of it is just to die for. It's so beautiful. It's got some sort of wave effect on it, and the box itself I think is leather, I'm sure. I mean, I paid so much money for it, it better be leather. But it's got the little Rolex sign there. And let's pop this open because boy oh boy, look how beautiful that watch is. It's so lovely. It basically comes in a white box, which you just saw me take it out of, and it comes in this. You got over here a Rolex certificate that lets you say this is authentic, and there's also got a service card in here, which basically is a worldwide service. Rolex gives you 5 years, and I bought this from Watches of Switzerland, that's in the UK. I'm not sure if they do that abroad, but they pretty much gave me an extra 5 years, so I've got 10 years altogether. So the guy said that it is The guy who sold it to me through an authentic dealer, he said that Rolex give you 5 years, we give you 5 years, and you're gonna get the watch service every 10 years, I believe. So I was actually really surprised, and I think it cost around £600 to service. Let me just put this down because you don't really need to see that, and I'm sure I don't want to show that on the internet. And then you've got the Rolex booklet that it comes with. I would throw the box, but I'm not gonna throw the box because, boy, I spent way too much on this, and believe me, I'm not throwing nothing. The Rolex, look how stunning that is. Now this is the size 41. I did go and try, I think it's the 36, but it was a bit too small for my liking. I felt like this was the right size. I just felt like it just fitted well on my wrist. So that is the front of it. You got pure gold bezel here. You can get this one here with a flat one, but this is the one I wanted. I'm not going to go into too much detail because I felt like this Rolex watch itself, it deserves its own series of stuff. Hit the thumbs up if you think that I should do different series of unboxing, which I'm doing right now, and then I'm doing an in-detail review of it, and basically like a wear and tear and stuff like that, and how I managed to save up for this, because if I can do it, you can do it, that's for sure. Then you got the Rolex little tag here, authentic tag, that comes off, and this is the back, which is beautiful. There was two choices, and if you watched my wish list, I said I wanted an all silver one or this one, and I wasn't too sure. I just felt like I wear a lot of gold, so it's only right that I just get a Rolex that has gold on it, because I'm just going to regret it later on. So this is why I actually got this one. I just wanted to let you know that it comes in this box, and they also give you 2 links that I've got taken off, so they give you that back basically. I didn't want to carry a bag because I felt like walking around London in this time and situation, I'm gonna get robbed. Believe me, I need to be careful in London with this watch. I didn't ask for no bag, I just put it in my backpack, this box, and I felt like I need to get my ass straight home. The box itself has a little marking of what it is or what model it is, I believe. But yeah, I mean, the box itself is another lovely piece to have as well on your shelf. Obviously while the watch is on your hand and the box is on the shelf, because we need to be using this now. Can't be keeping my stuff on the shelf and just staring at it and not wanting to wear it, because the time has come where I need to use my stuff. This is actually a great snack box. Taking this all out, put your snacks in there. No one's going to look for snacks in here, that's for sure. I guess it's a box in a box, because this comes in a Rolex box as well. So the box comes in a box with some styrofoam on it, which is madness, I'll tell you that for now. There you have it, the Rolex Date Just 41 watch. Now, I can't get over how excited I am, and I'm just living for this watch. If you want to find out more on how I got it and how I saved for it, and basically an in-depth review on it and all that sort of stuff, then, you know, hit the thumbs up button, because that's something that I will be doing, that's for sure. I only had this watch just a couple days now, so I'm really still in shock on me having a Rolex. Like, I didn't think that I will be able to get this for my 30th birthday. Obviously my birthday was in April and I was in a lockdown and I wasn't able to do anything. This basically just ties everything together, and I'm just really happy that I got it. So I just want to say a big thank you to everyone who's just been following me on this journey, on getting my watch and saving my coin. And you know, if I can do it again, and I keep saying this, but I have so many people messaging me, oh, what job do you have, what this, that and the other. You know what? If I can do this just with a regular job, then so can you lot. You just gotta put your mind to it, and you just gotta like go out and get it. And there you have it, the Rolex Date Just 41. Thank you so much for joining me on this unboxing. It means so much. Remember to hit the subscribe button, like and comment down below. Don't forget to share it, and also follow me over on my Instagram channel as well. Stay safe, peace.